was talking to one of my clients 2 weeks ago at ang sabi niya, bibili na lang daw siya ng Facebook page na may mga likes and followers na. And I said, never do this. Kung gusto niyo ng shortcut, Facebook ads is the best way to go. We know that starting from scratch, it is very difficult. And kung maghahantay naman tayo ng organic reach, so matatagal lang talaga bago tayo makapag-build ng audience and followers. So, a page that has many followers but not relevant to your business will only hurt your post in Facebook SEO. So in this video, I will guide and tell you the steps to optimize your page the right way. Hi, this is Babelyn from babelynmalate.com. I make videos na makakatulong sa pag-build mo ng sarili mong online business. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, make sure to hit that subscribe button at notification bell para updated ka sa mga bagong video uploads natin. First, do the basic Facebook business page setup. I mean, kailangan po nating lagyan ng profile picture, cover photo, at i-fill out yung about section. So, yung profile photo po, yung place na lalagyan natin ng logo, and usually po, ito yung pinaka-importante sa ating page kasi sa lahat ng mga post natin, kasama yung logo and makikita po siya ng ating visitors or audience. So, we want to make sure na identifiable po siya, na ma-recognize po siya kaagad ng ating mga visitors na pag nag-post tayo, alam nila na galing sa page natin yung post na yon. So, yung pag-set up po ng Facebook business page, meron po tayong separate video para dyan. Ilalagay ko po yung card sa taas. You can watch that after this video. Ilalagay ko po yung link sa description sa baba para makita nyo. Second, polish your About tab. Yung po mga visitors sa ating Facebook business page, especially yung mga targeted, they will check our About section and they will try to find more information that is important for them from our company. So, do not simply guess or wing it. Make sure na pinag-isipan nyo po talaga kung ano yung ilalagay nyo sa About section because this will help the visitors to decide whether magiging follower po siya ng page natin or not. So, it's true that we don't have too many characters or words na mailalagay dito sa About section. I think they have 155 characters for this, but you can summarize the why and tell people why they need to follow your page. You can also include yung mga keywords. For example, yung product nyo mismo, you can write it there to tell people right away what your page is offering. Third, add a link of your website or online store to your Facebook business page. There are so many benefits of having your own website or landing page. I will not talk about these things in this video, pero gagawa po tayo ng video about that in the future. Also, remember that you can't add links to your post, especially kung bago pa lang yung page nyo. So, the best place to put the link would be sa taas ng Facebook business page nyo. Meron tayong tinatawag na call to action button. And then, once you're here, makikita nyo tong edit, learn more. Click this, and edit button. So, here makikita nyo yung iba't ibang call to action. Depende po sa gusto nyong ipagawa. Kung gusto silang pumunta sa website, you choose learn more, kagaya ng ginawa ko dito. Kung gusto nyong magpadala sila ng email sa inyo, ilalagay nyo yung email address nyo, then click send email. So, you can just look at all of these available call to action buttons para sa ating Facebook business page. Yung iba naman, meron tayong shop now here, yung website kagaya ng Shopify, pwede nating ilagay dito. Fourth, claim your vanity URL. By claiming your vanity URL, you are customizing it to match with your company's name. And also, this will help you to receive a significant boost for your Facebook SEO. So, this branded URL should be descriptive and concise. Ang purpose nito ay para matandaan ng tao agad yung business natin. So, ito rin yung tinatawag natin na username. So, needless to say, yung vanity URL can help increase your brand recognition at visibility. You don't always need to have at least 25 followers to have the vanity link or username. Sometimes, pag inedit nyo siya, naglagay na kayo ng username nyo, agad-agad magre-reflect siya sa page. Pero may ibang page naman na kahit na may 25 na likes na, hindi pa rin nagkakaroon ng vanity name. To get this vanity link, puntahan lang natin yung ating edit page info dito sa left side. And then username. Makita nyo dito. So, once na ma-type nyo na yung inyong username, then click outside and it's good. Fifth, pin your most important post. Not all posts are created equal. There will be posts that magkakaroon talaga ng mataas na reach and engagement. Meron namang post na wala talagang engagement at hindi maganda yung reach. So, find the post from your page that has a really good reach and engagement, and ipin nyo po yun. Ilagay nyo po yun sa taas ng Facebook business page kasi yun yung unang post na makikita agad-agad ng visitors. And it's always important to give the best impression to your visitors. To pin your most important post, just scroll down and hanapin natin yung post na gusto nating ipin. So here, there are 3 buttons. Click this and just find pin to top page. Once you do this, just refresh nyo lang yung page nyo and then makikita nyo na siya na nasa taas na siya. So, ito yung unang makikita ng ating visitors sa ating page. We know as a business owner, you don't have time to learn marketing on your own. Why not let professionals do it for you? Our team is here to help you level up your business with complete line digital marketing solutions. We can help you create your online store or e-commerce website, chatbot sales and marketing assistant, social media management, copywriting services, and website maintenance services. Just go to our website, find services section, then inquire and book a call. Our team can help your business grow. Sixth, create video playlist. Playlist is the great way to showcase your company's product or service. So, kung meron naman kayong mga videos about your product and service, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa Facebook din at gumawa kayo ng playlist. This way, people can always go back to it and watch your videos. Find the video tab. Punta lang tayo sa more and then hanapin natin videos. So, dito makikita nyo yung mga videos nyo and gagawa tayo ng playlist. So, dito meron akong 3 playlist. 1, 2, and 3. So, paano gawin yung playlist? Scroll up. Dito, meron ulit tayong 3 buttons. Yan, i-click na lang yan. And then, create playlist. Once na-click nyo yan, dadalhin kayo sa Creator Studio. And dito, ilalagay na natin yung ating playlist. So, sa page, select your page. And then, title ng playlist. For example, trainings. Ilagay nyo lang yung description. Upload image. And click next. Then, once you do this, everything's done. Ito yung aking video playlist sa Facebook page. 7. Enable Reviews tab. So, ito naman ay makakatulong para ma-build natin yung reputation natin online as a business. So, as a business, it is important to build credibility and positive feedback from people. Yung mga tao nga, pag nakita nila may mga reviews yung page, most likely, makukuha nyo kaagad yung trust and like nila. So, make sure na enable itong review tab. Para ma-enable itong review tab, punta tayo sa more again, and then hanapin lang natin yung edit tabs. Dito sa edit tabs, makikita nyo kung ano yung mga available na tabs para sa inyong Facebook page. So, na-enable ko na siya. Ito yun. So, i-click nyo lang yan. Ayan, disable siya. I-click nyo yan para maging blue. Enable para makita nyo yung mga reviews. 8. Customize your tabs. You don't have to strictly use yung mga tabs na binigay na ni Facebook sa ating Facebook business page. Actually, merong way how to customize that, and ilagay po natin yung mga tabs na importante sa ating business at importante sa ating audience and followers. This way, mas madaling makikita ng mga followers natin yung importanteng bagay for our business. 9, kailangan nating tingnan yung business insights. So ngayon na nagpo-post na tayo, magkakaroon na tayo ng data or information na magagamit natin to analyze. So go to your insights and see if there is this information that can help improve your marketing strategy. Pay particular with the user engagement at saka yung reach, as this will help us see whether yung page natin is nag-work nga and how popular, or maybe may mga kailangan tayong ayusin to improve our strategy. 10. Create and share the right content at the right time. It can't be emphasized enough how relevant and effective content is. Ika nga, content is the king. So, we are only talking about high quality content that can help generate engagement, followers, like, share, and comments. So, always make sure that you're posting high quality content on your Facebook business page. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng high quality content? It means that it is unique, it is engaging, that people will like and share it, and it is relevant and helpful to these people. So try to publish content that educates, entertains, and help your audience, and make audience bookmark your page. So yung feeling na, oh, babalikan ko tong page na to, very informative to, itong page na to, I learned something from here, it's very interesting, ibo-bookmark ko to. So we have to think about that. So it is also essential to know the best time when to post your content. So once na magkaroon na po kayo ng data sa insights nyo, make sure na tingnan nyo po yung statistic kung anong oras at anong day maraming nag-view ng inyong post. And yung last na tip natin is to engage your audience with messenger chatbots. So go extra mile and start communicating with your audience on a more personal level by using messenger chatbots. And as of you know, kung matagal na po kayo sa channel ko, marami po akong mga videos about ManyChat. So chatbots can help your business to improve customer experience by scaling up engagement rates, and you don't need to hire agent to constantly reply sa mga messages ng tao if you have messenger chatbot. So you can also automate the journey. So pwede nyong i-plan kung anong gusto nyong una nilang makita sa inyong business. Gagawa po kayo ng flow and ng mga sequence of messages to show to people kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto nyong makita, maipakita sa kanila on a step-by-step basis. So, apart from providing information sa mga tao using chatbots, you can also improve the customer support. Kung may mga questions ba sila, mga frequently asked questions, pwede nyo rin pong ilagay yun doon sa sequence nyo. So remember, kung meron silang magandang experience sa inyong page, there is a high tendency na mag-search. Pag nag-search po sila online or sa Google, they'll always look for your website or your Facebook business page. And again, I want to thank all those people who are continuously watching my video tutorials. If you leave comments and likes and thumbs ups there, Alam ko po na nakakatulong po ang mga videos natin, and that gives me motivation to continue, make more videos na makakatulong po sa inyo. So, God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next video.